Diabetes are mainly of two types, type 1 and type 2. Like we have explained in our previous posts, the reasons for why children and teens get type 1 diabetes is still not known. But there are a lot of reasons that could lead to type 2 diabetes. So let's deal with the main causes of this form of diabetes. The pancreas makes insulin, which is used by our cells to convert glucose from the food we eat into energy. People who suffer from type 2 diabetes have insulin in their bodies, but the cells are not able to use it to do the conversion. That is the reason why it is called insulin resistance. Here are the main causes of type 2 diabetes. Genes. How the body makes insulin has been found to be linked to the genetic makeup. If it exists in the genetics, then chances are you might also be suffering from diabetes. Too much fat. Being overweight or obese can lead to insulin resistance, especially if the bulk of fat is around the belly area. In fact, thanks to childhood obesity, a growing number of kids are getting diagnosed with type 2 diabetes. Issues with the liver. When the blood sugar is low, the liver produces and pumps out glucose to the cells. When we eat food, the blood sugar goes up, and that's when the liver slows down and starts storing the glucose. But in some people, that does not happen. The liver keeps churning out glucose, leading to high blood sugar levels. Miscommunication between the cells. Sometimes, thanks to bad communication between the cells, the production and distribution of insulin and glucose becomes excessive. This could also lead to diabetes. Issues with the beta cells. These are the cells that make the insulin. If they send out too much or too little insulin at the wrong time, then the blood sugar level would definitely get affected. Suffering from polycystic ovarian syndrome. One of the root causes of PCOS or polycystic ovarian syndrome is insulin resistance. This happens due to being overweight, especially around the belly. PCOS has become fairly common in women these days thanks to the lifestyle changes and stress. While these are some of the main causes that have been associated to type 2 diabetes, there are also certain specific conditions that could lead to it, which are fairly rare. These include pancreatitis or pancreatectomy, Cushing's syndrome, glucagonema, steroid-induced diabetes. Next up, let us tell you the complications related to diabetes.